cowboy.
No, he's not a cowboy. He never will be. Hey, watch out! Kill it.
Yeah, kill it coming right here, Kev.
Whoa, yeah, he isn't a, yeah, he can be. He can be.
He can be a cowboy?
Yeah. He wants to be.
There you go.
Shit, he's more a cowboy than Jetski.
I'm saying, you know, Kev with his weight.
Come on, do a speed run. Do a speed run. Let's see what that thing will do. 0 to 50.
Oh, I know what it'll do.
Let's see it. Come on. Yeah. Hasta la vista, baby.
You gotta buckle up against the straps. He's afraid.
Dude's definitely a carver, ain't he?
Oh yeah.
Sucker's turn.
Look at him move.
It's about 70 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Just smooth.
Kind of like cowboys do it.
Yeah. Cowboys get tired though. This guy don't. That's the difference. That's why you don't want to be a cowboy. You don't want to get tired.
Nuts.
What happened to him?
It's time.
Videos, oh yeah.
Here he comes.
Oh. Is that the Jetski King?
Yeah, this is the master. It's Captain. Bucker's the captain. We follow his lead. See that, John? That's what they look like when they come out of water. Okay, we got to shut it down before people start getting all weirded out.
We get the environmentalists.
Here's the
fucking environmentalists.
another cowboy. He's here. Yeah, we got
shut us down.
Later.